Okay, so a couple answers to questions that I've been having, which I've gotten these multiple times. The first one is for in Onshape. So when I go to make or start a document, right? I think there is a video out there of me showing you how to do this. It's on the old class website, but thought I'd show you really quick here. When you want to do a sketch, okay, you click on your plane and see how Sketch pops up right over here. It's not like in SolidWorks or in Inventor where the screen like reorients itself. That's one of the annoying things about Onshape. It doesn't do it. Not that I know of. There's probably some setting you can go in there to turn on. I just haven't found it yet. So you just have to go in here to cube. Like this is like just like an Inventor, and you have to reorient itself for you. So this will kind of stay on here. You can move this guy out of the way if it gets annoying to you. But to draw lines with exact measurements, you click and then you get it to the thing that people is annoying people, and I agree it's annoying as well. You go to type on your keyboard and it won't do direct dynamic input. One of the ways around that is to basically get it to around where you want it. Say I want it to be 2.125. So if I go and I click, okay, actually left click, and then this box pops up right there, type in 2.125 or whatever you want your measurement to be, then hit enter. And like if I want this to be, I don't know, two and a half, I click and then do 2.5, then it will make it for you. You can right click and escape to get out of a command. And just like any of the other solid modeling softwares or CAD softwares, if you double click on here, you can go ahead and change it. Thinking down there, you can go ahead and change it and modify whatever you have to do uh, very quickly. Um, it will snap just like some of the other ones will snap into place. If I go here, okay, you get that little grayish looking T. I can't point to. I'm pointing with my finger, but you guys can't see me. That little T there off to the right. Okay, that's an intersection. It does change color when you have a closed profile. Okay, you can escape out of here. I'm done with the sketch. Again, it doesn't reorient. You can go over here to the side and right click and hit isometric, and it'll kind of reorient for you. And then extrude operates just kind of like how extrude works for us. We click on this object here, and you can. There's a bunch of different options. You can fill in uh, whatever you guys are working with. But there's my distance there, and it goes ahead and makes it. The other thing is how to share this with me. Okay, you don't need to send me STL files or anything else. An STL file is a 3D printing file. So what you do is when you go up here to share, okay, this dialog box pops up, and what you want, like some people have done this where they've been typing in my email. You can do it that way. I don't need editing privileges really, unless you think you did something wrong and you want me to show you what you did wrong. You can go ahead and have Ken edit. But what you want is you want to go to link sharing, and you want to turn this on, and then copy this and send me that. So just get this copied, open up an email, and then put down, send me an email with these links on here. Okay, and for each of the objects that you're creating, and that's how you'll send me the stuff. Okay, you can email that to me, or you can submit those through Google Classroom. It's just a link. That's an option in Google Classroom. You go to submit something, you just copy it and paste it on there. All right. So if you have any other questions, those are some of the biggest questions I've been getting with the measurement and how to share it. Those are the two biggest ones. But if you have any other ones, don't hesitate to shoot me an email and let me know.